Okay, let's go ahead and do this, boys. Let's go ahead and do this. Hey designers, what's going on? My name is Fahim MD and I'm a senior product designer, and today, very important video. And I don't even know why I haven't made this yet, Mike. I have not made this yet, so this is a pretty first time talking about the business side of things in the world of UX design. That is right. How, as a UX UI designer like yourself, can implement or even start thinking as an entrepreneur mindset and apply that into your project. So there are a lot of great examples that I have cooked up for you guys. So let's go ahead and do that. When I started building my first website at age 10, I was intrigued by the whole business world. Like, how can I make money from a website? And that got me into UX UI design and building websites for a client, like later on down the road. And I started working 9 to 5 and etc, etc. The best thing about that journey was that every company that I have worked for or a client that I have worked for, I got really close with the CEO, founder of the company, the sales executive team, and I guess they knew that, oh, this guy has an entrepreneur mindset. And I think because of that got me thinking, how can I build a product and generate revenue, which I have been applying for the last 10 years, even up till now. So therefore, I have a couple of examples here, a couple of sites that I did on my own for my clients, and another sites that I use in daily basis pretty much, and they're tech websites. You'll see UX UI designers nowadays, they only think of two things. Number one is in the UI, it's like, how can I make this product stand out compared to my competitors? That's awesome. That's something even I do. So that's good to have that mindset. And number two is the UX side of things. How can I make this product as user-friendly as possible? Whether it's an app on a smartwatch or an app for your phone, a website, redesigning a website, that's also amazing. And like I said, I do the same thing. Those two elements are very effective. But now if you want to think, I guess, outside of your pay grade, or you want to apply a new skill set, that would be the whole business side of things. And that is a question you should ask yourself. Okay, now that I'm, say, redesigning this e-commerce website, how can I find ways to generate more leads or revenue? And if you can find a solution for that, either the client or the company that you're working for, they will tend to draw into you a lot more compared to other designers. And that is what I'm going to show you in my designs and also examples of other websites. So let's go ahead and dive right in, Mike. Also, I started working out and my shoulders are in pain, by the way. My chest workout I did, whew, ouch, 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 and ouch. Today's leg workout, so after this I'm gonna go and do my legs. Oh my god. Okay, so let's dive right in. This website, I have 3 examples of it. So this is the search result page, not a search result page, this is a listing product page, and then you have the product detail page with the modal, and you have the payment page. By the way, this is created on Shopify. Keep getting this word confused. And I have designed this for my clients back in 2019, I would probably say. When I was working on this, I was thinking, once again, in a business point of view, how can this website generate more revenues compared to their competitors, and just primarily, you know, gather leads or revenue. So there are a few common industry standard basic things which I have applied here. It might be a common sense to you, but it's not really for a client or, you know, company that you work for. So for example, the most effective thing are these 2 bars that you see here. You have a 30-day return. So customers love that, especially if it's a brand new brand. And number 2 is you have a 3-day shipping to US and Canada. Another way to leverage a sale. And I'm not talking about, you know, increasing the sale by 50% or 90%. That does not exist. I'm talking about, oops, sorry about that, Mike. I'm talking about leveraging sales by 2%, 3%. If you count that yearly, that's a lot of money. You can see right here above the listing, I have a mini banner that says fall sale 40% off. Use the coupon code 40% and you'll get 40% from, you know, pretty much any one of them. That's number 1. Number 2 is I have a sales tag here which will leverage the user. Number 3 is I have a was price, current price, and the sale price. This is a very common, effective way to, once again, leverage users to be even interested in this product. This right here is a product detail page, and if it's the first time on the website, you'll get a 15% off if you sign in to their newsletter. And this will give once again, the opportunity for this company to email their potential customers in upcoming sales or discount codes and etc., which I'm sure you guys have done it for, you know, other e-commerce website. So let's go ahead and cross this out, and now in the product detail page you can either add to cart and buy it now. If you go to buy it now, you can see there are, yes, you can, you know, apply your credit card information, which is quite basic, but then you also have two other common ways to purchase this product as soon as possible. So there's Google Pay and then Shop Pay. Other websites also have Apple Pay and, you know, other sorts of third-party APIs, which is also great to have. But don't add 5-10 different options. Keep it very simple. Keep only 2 if you can. Number 2 is a product that I've worked on, and it's live actually. This was back in 2018. So these 3 here is the mobile view. So we're just gonna talk about the flight search result, which is right here, and the hotel search result. So in the flight search result, what I did was, so you can see there's 1, 2, 3, and 4. So in all of them, I have added 4 seats left. This will make the users make a decision on a hurry. And another similar strategy I've applied in the hotel search result page, where it says there are 3 rooms available. This is more of a common experience that you'll see in e-commerce websites, especially in the travel industry. It's like, oh my god, okay, there's only 3 rooms available. Okay, so I have to make my decision right now. Oh honey, what do you think about this room? There's only 3 rooms available, but 3 rooms available, so I think we need to book this right now. So that's very common, and it really pushes the sale to be purchased by 2%. WayFair also has another great strategy, which is called Sale Canada Day Deal. Today is July 1st. They also have, what do you call it, reviews. Reviews is something, if the company that you work for has it, then apply it. Very effective. Another cool thing that WayFair has is they'll give you the open box price, which means the customer has purchased the couch, they've taken it home, they opened it, they used it, and now they want to return it. But WayFair doesn't want this product to be sitting around, so they'll give you a very good discount, which is for $511. Any product sort of e-commerce platform, there's a very great strategy to do it. And then if you want to buy the actual couch, it's going to be $639. So I'm sure a lot of people will be like, you know what, let me just buy for $511. Also, another option would be great if you have a favorite feature. So once you go here and you want to favorite that couch, they're going to ask me for my contact information, my first name and my email address. Whether or not I decide to buy this couch, they can still leverage my contact information and start sending me emails of great couch deals for 40% off, $100 off, and etc., which will make me visit the website again and hopefully buy something. And of course, Amazon. Why would I forget about this website? I'm addicted to it. I'm guilty. Guilty as charged. I bought a lot of stuff from Amazon, like that neon light you saw you're looking over there from Amazon. I bought some stuff. I like a lot of stuff. My keyboards, and pretty much the list goes on. So over here, they have a lot of great strategies. So this is the headphone listing page. I just typed headphones, for example. You can see at the very top here, they have a limited time deal where you can buy this for $7.99 instead of buying it for $200. So that's 10% off. That's a great deal. And it has a Prime logo check, which means if you buy it now, you can get it within 24 hours or 1 or 2 business days, which is awesome. On top of that, there are sponsored listings where the company, what this product company pays Amazon to have the product listed at the very top. That's another way to generate revenue. And as you can see over here, there are only 4 left in the stock. This, like I said, will leverage the user to make a purchase right away. Amazon Choice is also another popular tag for their listing pages. This will help people who love Amazon be like, oh, you know what? Since Amazon said that this is a very good headphone, there is a higher chance of me buying this. On top of that, they also have reviews, which is obviously very, like I said, effective way to buy a product. You definitely want to read actual reviews before buying it. That's cool. And then you got 14 used and new offers, which is also another way of Amazon, once again, to make the customers buy their product. They also have what's price and the current price. This is exactly the same strategy which I've applied in one of my client projects for LiveBohoWay.com. Whew! And then the bestseller, of course, course. This is telling me that these are the best headphone products in Amazon and a lot of people have bought them. Well, actually, yeah, look at this, 48,000 reviews. Damn. Wow. And you can save $10 with a coupon code. Of course, if your client or your company you work for can apply coupon codes, my God, do not forget to add that here. Prime, this is Amazon's like one of the top features in their product listing page. Get it by Tuesday, July 6th. That's like, what's today? Today is Friday, so you get it by, yeah, that's awesome. This is a website called trip.com. It's a travel website. You can book flight, hotels, and etc. So over here, this is the flight search result. I booked from Toronto to Vancouver. As you can see right here, they have their first 3 search results, which offers the best price. However, if I decide to scroll down even more, I see 2 things here. Number one is, I guess a banner type ad, and then number 2. The first one says, if you haven't found the right price, don't worry about it, click here, and that way we will need your personal information, your email address, and name. This, once again, it's the same strategy. It will take the user's information and it's going to generate as a lead, which they can send, this company can send to the marketing team and offer me flight discounts from Toronto to Vancouver, or any other discount coupons or codes, whatever it may be, from Toronto to Montreal or Toronto to pretty much anywhere, which can lend me back to this website and hopefully make a purchase. On top of that is number 2, they have an app. Now, there are a lot of travel apps out there. Obviously, there's like Airbnb, there's Expedia, and a bunch of other ones. But if I want to download their app, they're going to offer me flight updates, travel info, exclusive in-app deals. I wonder what they are. And also 30% or more with trip coins. This right here is telling me, you know what? Since I like this website and I do kind of like the deals, but if I download the app, I might get a 30% discount or some exclusive deals, which they might not have in the website, but which that I will get if I only have the app. One of the most common things I would see is a banner to download the app. What they did is you can, use your QR code and download that right away, or you can even type your phone number where you'll get a link to download this app right away. It doesn't really make the user think twice, should I download the app or not, because they made the experience so simple. So make sure to leverage these kind of things into any product page that you work for. So ask a client, do you guys have an app? If they do, then now it's your job to think of ways for how to make the users download the app. Talking about things like these on an interview, like in the first round of your interview, or even applying it in your resume, it will definitely help you get better and better jobs. UX UI is great. It is 100% great. Like, I love it, and I've been doing it every single day for the last 10 plus however years. But once you apply the business side of things, your skill set, and I think you'll just start looking at websites and brands differently. So I highly recommend you guys to dive into other websites that you use on a daily basis, like Amazon, maybe eBay, Kijiji, or whatever those websites may be. Look into how they are finding ways to leverage either sales or leads and apply it into your project. Also, on top of that, make sure, like, say you have applied these business strategy into your project and they are live, make sure to apply quantitative and qualitative analysis into your design to measure the matrix. Now, Fahim, how do I do that? Like, what's the difference? Guess what? I have made a video about this. I have actually made a video about this, and I will link that below. It will explain to you about the UX analytics tools and what is quantitative and qualitative, all that good stuff. I have linked that below, and that is it. That pretty much talks about what I need to talk about. Okay, so I gotta go. It's 3:37 p.m. and I have a gym appointment at 7. I have to do legs today. Leg and it's not my favorite workout, but I gotta do it. And until then, I'll see you guys in the next video. It hurts. Okay. Peace out. Bang.